Deep in the heart of China, at the center of the capital city of Beijing, there sits an extensive, massive, beautiful, walled palace. Known as the Forbidden City, this palace was the exclusive realm of emperors and nobility for centuries. Whether it was ruled by the Qing dynasty or by the Communist Party, China has always maintained a certain level of distance from the world stage. And this Forbidden City has always stood as a representation of that distance. That's right, guys. There's a Starbucks in the Forbidden City. Can we freak out right now? Dang, man. The Forbidden City was like I mean, isn't anything forbidden anymore? What happened to the good old days, guys? I mean, I don't want to say it too loud or anything, but isn't this country supposed to be communist? That's right, the PRC is changing fast. The Forbidden City has opened its gates, and tourists stream in by the thousands. China is rapidly ending its centuries-old tradition of isolation. The doors are opening, and the world is coming in. Capitalism has shown up on the scene, and all the world's major corporations are here. But don't worry about China. It's not being colonized. Actually, it has the fastest growing economy in the world, and vast natural resources. And think about it this way. When you go shopping here, everything for sale was made in China. Yeah, here I am, this world traveler, and I find myself once again in a mall. And look what else I found. Oh yeah, soft serve. Yeah, like that stuff. That stuff right there. Can I have like a ice cream? Yeah, ice cream. I'll take a Blizzard. That's fine with me. A Blizzard. Can I have a Blizzard? Oreo Blizzard. Yes. Okay. Let's hear it for globalization, guys. Globalization is here to stay. We love it. Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah. Perfect. Shish yeah. Oh yeah, guys. I mean, this is not funny.